Hello students, important questions for BSc second sem Osmania University, okay, related to Osmania University BSc physics is there. So our paper name is thermal physics, okay. So in this one, first unit, short answer question. The first one here is explain transport phenomena, okay. Transport phenomena in these three are there, okay. In these three, that is viscosity of gases, thermal conductivity and diffusion of gases. So these three have same diagram, okay. The properties are little bit changes will be there. So if you study, it will be like similar type of thing will be there. So it is important, one question will appear. So this is very much important if you study, okay. One question short answer will be done, okay. Either this one or one of the two it will ask in short answer question, okay. Next question, okay. Entropy and disorder. So I tell entropy is very much important, okay. Why? Because entropy related any question came, either it will come in short answer, otherwise in long answer question, okay. Now you see entropy, I can write here fourth question also, because see you have to write two. So all related fourth question I am related with, this is related with entropy. చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్గా ఉంది ఇది, ఓకేనా. ఏదైనా టాపిక్స్ ఉన్నాయి దీనిపైన మనం అది చదువుకోవాలి. Now coming to long answer question, this short answer question over, okay. These are short answer question. Actually it is not three, see this already combined in this one. Entropy one question compulsory will come, okay. Now deduction of, this is long question, okay. Long questions is nothing but you have to write, okay. Now long questions, okay. Long question is first one, deduction of Maxwell's law of distribution of molecular speed, okay. This is important and it is lengthy, you have to write, okay. If possible I'll give this, okay, in upcoming video I can give the answers for this one, okay, if I have the time. Yes. So describe, second question, describe the change of entropy. See entropy once again came, okay, in reversible process and give the reason for increase of entropy in irreversible process. So this is the long question, okay. One more, next question, explain TS diagram, okay, very important. TS diagram, obtain an equation for efficiency of Carnot's engine using TS diagram, okay. Normally for efficiency of Carnot's engine we'll have this kind of diagram, okay, but we are using TS diagram. So T, it will be here. So this changes to this one. Here we have to talk about this one, okay. So it is like box is there, okay. Adiabatic expansion, okay, that kind is there, no. So TS diagram is here, okay. This is for first unit, this is for first unit, okay. Take the screenshot. Now see second unit, what are the important questions, short answer question. So first we are discussing short answer question. The first one is deduce Clausius-Clapeyron equation, okay. This is the one short answer question. Next question, what is the principle of refrigeration, okay, important question. Next, what are the thermodynamical potential, very much important, this is very much important, okay. Either in short or long it will ask, okay, this is important. Now coming to long answer question, okay, derivation of Maxwell's thermodynamic relations, okay. First you will be having thermodynamical potential, from that you will get relations, thermodynamic relations, that is long answer question, okay. Next question, distinguish between adiabatic and Joule-Thomson expansion, describe the method of liquefaction of gases in Joule-Thomson expansion. Here basically we'll deal about how we can decrease the lower temperature, very low temperature, okay, liquefaction of gases, okay, through Joule-Thomson effect. So this is the one question, but this is very important, huh? Very important. Now third question, describe the process of adiabatic demagnetization for liquefaction of gases. So liquefaction of gases, various methods are there, Joule-Thomson effect is there and adiabatic demagnetization, okay. So these are the long question for second unit. Now we go for third unit. Take the screenshot. Now third unit. Okay, so third unit. Okay, in short answers, these are the short answer. The first short answer is state the postulates of quantum theory of radiation. Okay, this is the short answer question, important one. Okay, star mark is there. Next question, derive the Stephen's law from Planck's law. Okay, third question, what are different types of pyrometer? Explain the working principle. Okay, so the pyrometer is there, very much important, either short or either long. One question will come. Okay, now fourth question, in short, calculate the effective temperature of sun. Okay, so this is an important question. So in this one, this is very much important. Now coming to long answer question, the first one, write about energy spectrum distribution for a black body and derive the Wien's law and Rayleigh-Jean's law of radiation. This is the long answer. Okay, now coming to the second question in long, what is solar constant? Okay, calculate the temperature of sun using Wien's law. Okay, now the last question in third unit for long, write about disappearing filament of optical pyrometer. Now see pyrometer, pyrometer. One short or long question will come definitely. Okay, maximum chances are there that it will come. Okay, so we move to fourth unit now. Okay, take a screenshot. So second sem and fourth unit, what is the phase space, explain ensembles. So this is the question. Okay, combined I have given one. Okay, this is the short answer question. Now second one, distinguish between canonical and grand canonical ensembles. Okay, short answer question. Describe, third question, describe about neutron, star and dwarf. Okay, now coming to fourth question, distinguish between classical and quantum statistical mechanics. Okay, so these are the four questions in short answer. Okay, short answer question. Now we are going for long answer question. Okay, three are there. State, explain, derive the Maxwell's Boltzmann energy distribution law. Okay, important. Okay, now second question, discuss the Fermi-Dirac distribution law. Okay, so this is also important question is there, so I put here important this too. Okay, discuss Bose-Einstein distribution law and mention its application. Okay, so first unit, second unit, third unit, fourth unit is over. Okay, important questions I have given to you. So I hope all the best for every student, okay, who are appearing for the examination. And from my side, like, subscribe the video, forward to the students who needed it. Okay, we'll meet in next video. Thank you.